past the factory sky. Another week of nothing, another reason why I'm sitting in this corner where the light is soft and dim, having a conversation with my only truest friend. This glass of Kentucky's finest, it don't judge and it don't